Hello everyone, welcome to our Inside our Factory series. Today we are visiting the Gelgoog Food Technology Lab to see what makes the place so special. Follow me, let's go. This lab spans over 300 square meters. It's one of the most advanced professional platforms in China's food equipment industry. Next, we will lead everyone to our laboratory. First, we are in the physical chemical testing room, where our technicians analyze key indicators like viscosity, moisture, ash content, pH level, and fat content, helping us quickly understand the characteristics of raw materials and finished products. Next is the pilot testing room, where we scale up processing and testing equipment performance. Beyond the nuts roasting and seasoning experiments happening right now, we also simulate and optimize process like the proofing of fruit and vegetable sauces and nut butters, the alkalization process of cocoa, and the grinding and oil extraction of nuts. The Gelgoog Food Technology Lab is more than just a workspace. It's a place where we are explore the future of food processing together with our clients. We provide customers with complete food processing solutions through complete process product service. Gelgoog to make food production simpler and safer.